Alrighty, back at you at the service call with the boiler. Showing you how it is when you got a clogged up boiler. As you can see how clogged up this boiler is. As I took all the pipes, so I just stuck my wrench in there, but you can see all up in there. I clogged up the, and you can see all that dirt. Look at that, it's clogged up. Up here as well, as you can see, it's clogged up on the top. So yeah, I'm about to clean her up. I'm about to clean this puppy up. I'm gonna change this transformer right here, put the transformer on here and get it running. The first thing first, gotta clean her up. Get all this sludge and grime. And this is what happens when you don't ever clean out a steam boiler once a year. Drain it down. All the dirt, sludge in these pipes clogs it up. A quick service video for you guys out there who want to learn about steam boilers. Wash this out. Get to it.